you're definitely going to need me to help you install this because the directions were all normal until I got to the middle of it. And then I'm like, this looks like a different model. Let's see if we can assemble this baby. You've got your quick start guide and a few parts that are very well labeled. So this really shouldn't be too bad at all. Step 1, grab this, the included screwdriver and your screws. Line it up, screw it on. Such a long screwdriver. That screwdriver fits perfectly in there. They made a divot. We've got a cat in a bag. Moving on. 2 and 3, line those up and get your first screw in there. Nice. The top arc comes together and you screw that together. 1, 3, flip it over to the L, screw those together as well. 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. 1, 2, 4. Dome is done. Line. So that is now on. You're going to peel off tape for the little flap. Take your number 4, the spinny, lock those on. There's a cat in mine now. Flip it over like that and do it again. And there is a right way to do it. It's a Y. So make sure it lines up like this and then spin. Take your scooper cleaner and pop it right in there. The top opens right up. Take one of the bags they included and put it on the waste bin. And those bags are 17.7 by 17.7. Bag is in. Pop that lid back on, just align and snap. And we're pretty much done. Place it on the base to make sure they match the L and the L. So that probably took me 5 minutes. The actual mat is removable. Nice material, washable. Let's test her out. It's the big boy's turn. Overall, this thing is awesome.